Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the physical pieces and locking down the network so the rest is predictable. Install your chosen OS, Debian/Ubuntu, or a lightweight NAS distro, and update packages immediately. Once done, attach storage drives and configure a dedicated user account for services. Make sure to enable SSH for remote access. Next, assign a static IP or DHCP reservation on your router so clients can find the server consistently. These steps get you from empty hardware. Now you install and configure the cloud stack, starting with the application and its dependencies. Install Nginx or Apache, then set up PHP and the required modules, create the database and user with minimal privileges, and import initial schemas. Once done, install Nextcloud or your chosen app, run the web-based setup, and point it to the DB and data folder. Make sure to enable HTTPS via Let's Encrypt and tune PHP-FPM and web server timeouts for file operations so uploads and syncs stay reliable. Finish by securing and testing the system so you can rely on it daily. Configure automated backups, enable firewall rules, and turn on two-factor authentication for accounts. Once done, connect a client and verify file sync, sharing, and permissions. If something breaks, check system and application logs, confirm ports and IPs, and reproduce the error with verbose logging enabled. Make sure to apply updates in a staging window and keep an offline backup. This reduces downtime and gives you a recovery plan if the server fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.